Come on in the room. Come on in the room. Hey guys, it's Miss V with another video. It's unboxing time. Let's see. I did place a couple of orders of supplies. Let's see what we got here from the A to the Z store. Let's see. Let's see. I know I had ordered some bags for those squash melons. Let's see, what is this? Oh, okay, this is a gift box die cut, which I don't need. I don't know why I keep ordering this stuff. No, I don't need no more embossing folders, any of that. Yes, these are the bags. These are the 100 pack 12 by 18 string dust bags, okay? And then these are the larger. It is 100 in here as well, and these are 18 by 24. And let's see, we're gonna test them out to see if these squash melons will fit in there. Okay. Come on. And I do have a larger one. Hold on, you guys. I have a larger one that I need to test as well. So this would be a good time. This would be a good time to check them out while I'm doing this video. So I have these. What's his name? His name is Snackle. This is Snackles. His name is Blaze. And then this is Dustin. And she is so cute. This is Cherry. Hey, Cherry girl, hey. Okay, so let's start with the smaller bags, the 12 by 18. Let's see. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these bags, I am a Amazon associate, and I will post my links at the end of this video if you're interested in purchasing for your large pillows, for your squishmallows, or any plushies, or who knows. These bags I'm sure have multi-purposes, so we're gonna check it out. Okay, what is the easiest way to pour these out? Okay. I know LBE did recommend these bags, so this is perfect for this one. Even if I have to, you know, secure the size and do whatever, make it work, but we'll make it work, but that's fine. Because I am gonna put some other items in there, probably, or they could be sold by themselves. Okay, let's see. This one may even fit in there. Let's see. I don't want it too squishy. This looks like this would be perfect. Whoa. Yep, take a little maneuvering, but she's in there. And she still looks cute. So this will fit for your medium size as well as your smaller ones. Now, let's try the 18 by 24 for this big kahuna over here. Let's see. I'm trying to open it the right way so they won't be all over the place. Let's see. And I do have some squishmallows left from Valentine, so this is gonna be a great help. They put these in here upside down. Let me see. Hold on, let me see if I can pull one from this way. Oh man, this is a bag inside of a bag. Dang. I did not want to pull this out. I guess I'm gonna have to. Dang it. Yeah. Okay. I think this still is pretty secure. I know you guys probably can't see, but I'm just opening the package. That's all. Okay, let's put her back over here. Man, I gotta figure out what else I ordered because it did say 2 deliveries. Okay, so this is the 18 by 24 bag. And as you can see, it has a drawstring. So let's put him in there. This will be a part of my Hershey's concept. He's a big one too. Yeah, he's a big boy. Let's see. Come on, big boy. Come on, get in your new house. Get in your new house. Uh-oh. Make sure he in there right. Fix his little wings. Okay, dude, you ain't got to do all that right now. You ain't got to be perfect. You just want to show that he fits in the bag. Get the seams right. I know, I could be a little OCD with stuff. Okay, so he fits perfect. And there you go. So yeah, thanks for the recommendation. Yes. All right. So that ends this video. So stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, please like this video. Please leave a beautiful comment saying I enjoy your channel. Thanks for sharing. Just a few encouraging words for us. And stay tuned for more videos, more exciting videos. We will be putting some concepts together. I was just trying to make sure I had the bags that I needed to put my Squishmallow concepts together. So stay tuned for more exciting videos. Concepts. They're coming, guys. Stay tuned. Until then, this is Miss V saying bye. Peace.